Oh guys, there are a lot of questions about the pip install. Actually, I don't know. I think for some security reason they have added like this from the new Python 3.12. I think they have mentioned everywhere that it's for security reasons and newbies will get the problem. But it's very easy. If you are familiar with the Python, so you know how to create the environment in your folder or your path. But the thing is, it can be bypassed because here it mentioned that you have to bypass the break system packages, and to do that first we have to see that where our configuration file has been loaded. I mean to say, while if you are using a Kali, it will automatically install in your home directory, but for me, if the command, if you are using a different kind of a operating system, so it will guide you and it will help you. If you type the python 3-m and pip.config file and you put a command like a debug, it will start showing that where your configuration files are exist, and here you can see it false, false, false. So what we will do, we will create a new file at the etc folder with a new configuration file, and we will put it as a true, then it will start working. So for example, if I add a command like nano and slash etc slash pip dot config, so it will ask me the password, then we can put one command here. The command is very simple, so you first have to mention, you have to use it as a global, and you have to pick that thing here, break system packages, and you have to put it as a true, then Ctrl X and press yes, enter. It loaded. For example, if you're using Windows, you have to go to the pip.ini in your where you have installed the Python in your Windows operating system. And for example, if I test it here again, so it will show the global package, sorry, the global break system package is true. So let's see here. If I try to install the pip, it will start installing. I think I already installed, that's why it's not showing, it's not installing. So it's very basically easy, and they have also mentioned in a their blog that how to utilize it. So use it, and let's go for the next video.